Welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa. Get your education booklet in our daily newspaper, street sales, or at your school every Monday to Thursday for pre-primary up until grade 3. The lessons are for listening or watching online. Inside the newspapers, there is an insert of the lesson booklet. Please cut the top of the lesson booklet with a pair of scissors and fold it for ready to use. But there is more. We are also available on our online platforms, MyZone and Zoshi Facebook pages, and in addition, our website, Zoshi Online. Hello everyone and welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa and thank you so much for joining me today. Our theme this week is culture and traditions. And before we get into any lessons, boys and girls, it's very important for us to sanitize. Now remember, when we sanitize, we are showing the world that we are responsible and that we care about the people around us. Make sure your hands are dry before you touch anything else. Well done. Our lesson for today is all about doubling, halving, and problem solving. For our first exercise today, let us turn to page 12. On page 12, we are going to be doing halving. Now the halving part seems like it's hard. How do you break things apart? But we are going to do it together. It says, halving a number means sharing equally between two people to reduce it to half. So we are going to try that here. Mr. Fox is asking us to halve these numbers and put answers in the boxes where the arrows are pointing. They even give us an example. So you and I are going to try the first one together. Let us take a look at the board. Now the first one says half of 24. And it gave us a clue to say that we are sharing between two. Now on my board I have twins, twin A and twin B, and I am their mother. So we need to make sure that twin A gets the same amount as twin B, and we're going to share equally. What we give to A must also be given to B until we get to the number 24. So we are going to draw, let's say we're giving them cookies. So we are going to draw cookies. Now as a mother, I need to start and share equally in each plate. So let us go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the cookies are finished and each twin has their cookies. Now to get our answer of what is half of 24, we need to count what one twin has, and we will put our answer here, and then we'll count what the other twin has and we'll put our answer here. So let us start with twin A. Twin A, how many cookies do you have? Let's count what he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he has 12. Now let's ask twin B how many cookies does he have? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he also has 12 cookies. So we have managed to break or to halve the number 24. So our answer is 12. Now, if you get a different answer from the first twin to the second twin, that means there was something wrong when you were sharing. So you would have to start again and count equally. Remember, when we are sharing, we are actually cutting that number into half. And both sides need to have the same answer for you to say half of and then your number equals your answer. Take your time, find another paper where you can practice first before you write your answers in the booklet. I will see you very soon. But before we actually say, the next exercise is on page 13. Now, page 13, I want us to do the first two together because I want you to see the difference between adding and subtracting. We have problem sums. Now, the problem-solving sums are the ones that have a sentence or a story that you, my dear boys and girls, have to work out the answer. We are going to do number 1 together. Let's read. My mom bought 40 cookies for my party, but my sister and I already ate 6. How many cookies are left? Let's read it again together. My mom bought 40 cookies for my party, but my sister and I already ate 6. How many cookies are left? Now this one, we are going to use our special counters to get the answer. Let's take a look at the table. Now on the table, I have my counters. So we are told that there are 6 cookies missing. So we're going to count 6 here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the 6 missing cookies. But that's not what we are supposed to be doing. We are supposed to find out how many are left. Now, when we find out how many are left, we are subtracting. So we need to take away 6 cookies from the 40 cookies. And how do we do that, boys and girls? Well, we can count backwards from 40. And we need to count how many? 6 backwards from 40. So I would like you to write in your booklet 40 minus 6 equals. And then I'd like you to follow me as we are subtracting by counting backwards. Now the first number we already know is 40, but what is the number before 40? Yes, the number is 39. So we are going to start from 39, counting backwards. Are you ready, everybody? We're going to use our counters. Let's go. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34. So our answer is 34. And if you're not sure, you can still count. From the number 34, you go to the next one, which is 35. This way you can check. Instead of subtracting now, I want you to add. So we're going to add those same 6 and see if we get 40. We're going to start from the next number from 34, which is 35. Okay, are we ready? Let's see. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we know that our answer is correct. And in this case, our answer is 34. Remember, boys and girls, when you have a story sum, you need to read it 3 times. We read it twice, and then now we're going to check if we did the right thing. So let us go back into our exercise. Number 1 in our exercise is saying, we are having cookies. My mom bought 40 cookies for my party, but my sister and I ate 6. How many cookies are left? So we know that we had our 6 cookies, we ate them all up, and then we tried to replace them, and we still got the same answer. So our answer will say there are 34 cookies left. That is what I would like you to write. Now let us try number 2. Remember, you need to read your story sums 3 times. So let's read it the first time. I counted 14 blue cars and my brother counted 25 red cars. How many cars did we count all together? Let's read it again. I counted 14 blue cars and my brother counted 25 red cars. How many cars did we count all together? Now, what we're first going to do, boys and girls, is that we are going to draw little sticks that will be our cars. So the first one that we're going to draw are the 14 blue cars. So I have my blue chalk here on the board and I'm going to draw 14 sticks as our cars. Please count with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have my 14 blue cars. So now we are going to make our red cars, and we need 25. That sounds like a lot. So let us see. I'm going to write them under our blue cars. Are you ready? Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Gosh, we almost finished the whole board. Now it says how many cars are there all together. So we are going to add the blue cars with the red cars. Now we already know that these are 25. So we are going to count on to the next number. And the next number is 26. So let us cross out our blue cars and continue counting from 26. Are you ready? Let's go. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we know that there are 39 of them. Now we know that blue cars plus the red ones equal 39. Let's now read our sum again for the third time so that we know that we did the right thing. Now our sum says on page 13, number 2, it says, I counted 14 blue cars and my brother counted 25 red cars. How many cars did we count all together? Now I'm sure we did the right thing, so I think our answer is correct. The rest of the sums, boys and girls, you are going to do by yourselves and make this fun for yourself. You can use counters, you can use your paper, and you can even draw little cars or anything they're asking you to add or subtract. Take your time with the sharing, and I'll see you just now after our short advert break.
Do you have children in the age range of 5 to 6 years and want to participate in our school booklet program? Please contact us on 081 74 3759 and we will put you on our distribution list for the attention of pre-primary schools. Topics include family, summer, culture, traditions and houses, transport and communications, occupations, autumn and more. We distribute countrywide in over 7 different languages.
We have now come to the end of our lesson, boys and girls, and I hope you managed to finish your work. But just in case, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Now that we are done, please can we sanitize? Remember, when we sanitize, we're showing that we are responsible, just like our friends today. Make sure your hands are dry before you touch anything else. Well done. I wonder though, I haven't seen our little friend, Zoshi. Hi, Zashi. So, from Sashi and I, we would like to say thank you for joining us today and goodbye.
Our online school will help you along the way. Find us at www.zoshi.online and download the booklet. Follow us on Facebook to never miss a video. Subscribe to our Zoshi Telegram channel if you want to receive daily updates. Proudly sponsored by Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, Namibian Community Trust, UNICEF for Every Child, My Zone Online School, and Amos Meerkat Syllabus.